Hello, students. Today we are going to see the genre novel, part first, 4.1 from a syllabus, that is History of Novel. History of Novel. And actually, the slide, there are so many slides. Now we will enjoy what is there in the actual history of novel. Here, the 18th century has given us what has given us the two gifts. The first one means one of those was a periodical essays, and the second one is novels. And both of these forms of novels are got the spirit of 18th century as the age of intellectual, sentimental and realistic place. After that, here it helped us, the readers, to more purposeful and virtuous life. Here, the novel. Novel means what? It is a long narrative fiction. It describes intimate human experiences in a prose form. After that, it is derived from Italian word novella, which means new. The next one, it narrates a story with more details of time, place, nature, people, and their minds, their gestures and activities. It makes life easier to understand than that of drama and poetry. ड्रामा आणि पोएट्री पेक्षा हे इझी जातं आपल्याला. And the next one, that is, it creates picture of the society of that time, the real picture of society of that time. History of novel dates back 2000 years. आता या नॉवेलची हिस्ट्री कधीची आहे बघा. द नॉवेल ॲज अ लिटररी जर्नर हॅज अ हिस्ट्री ऑफ अबाउट 2000 years. First appearance of novel was in second to 6th century in the form of Greek romances. Next one, they were the collection of short tales. Next, these were imaginative and delightful stories of ideal love and marvelous adventures. Some early forms of novels: Virgil's Eclogues, Malory's Morte the Arthur, Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales. Next one, world's first novel. जगातलं पहिलं नॉवेल कुठलं आहे? द टेल ऑफ जेनजी 1010 बाय मुरासिकी सिकिबू. And the first European novel, Don Quixote 1605 to 1615 by Spanish writer Miguel de Cervantes. And in England, novel appeared after 1740. Here the novelists and their work. Novelists and their work. म्हणजे कोणते कोणते नॉवेलिस्ट होते, कोणत्या कोणत्या सेंचुरीमध्ये होते आणि त्यांचं वर्क काय आहे. सुरुवातीला आपण पाहणार आहोत 17th century, दॅट इज अर्लियर नॉवेलिस्ट. फर्स्ट वन, जॉन बनियान, द पिलग्रिम्स प्रोग्रेस इन 1678. आफ्टर दॅट, आफ्रा बेन ओरनोको 1688, Daniel Defoe, Robinson Crusoe and Moll Flanders, Jonathan Swift, Gulliver Travels, a famous satire. Now, 18th and 19th century novelists. आता आपण काय पाहणार आहोत? 18व्या आणि 19व्या शतकामध्ये जे नॉवेलिस्ट झाले, मग त्यांचं नाव आणि त्यांचं वर्क काय आहे ते. हिअर सॅम्युअल रिचर्डसन यांनी काय लिहिलेलं आहे? पॅमेला व्हर्च्यू, रिवार्डेड अँड क्लॅरिसा. आफ्टर दॅट, epistolary novels. This one, Henry Fielding, Lawrence Stern, Tavis Smollett, Charles Dickens, Walter Scott, Nathaniel Hawthorne, Horace Walpole, Thomas Hardy, Vicky Collins, and H.G. Wells. These are the 18th and 19th century novelists. Now, 20th century novelists: E.M. Forster, James Joyce, Joseph Conrad, Henry James, George Orwell, Graham Greene, D.H. Lawrence, William Golding, Anthony Burgess. They winded the circumstances of the genre by writing political, social, psychological, and the modern issues. Next one, immigrant writers. स्थलांतरित जे आहेत ते: सलमान रश्दी फ्रॉम इंडिया, V.S. नायपॉल त्रिंडन, काजुओ इशिगुरा जपान. आता हे जे नॉवेल्स आहेत, तुम्हाला फिल इन द ब्लँक्स मध्ये, मॅच द पेअर मध्ये हा क्वेश्चन येऊ शकतो. सो लुक ॲट द व्हिडिओ केअरफुली. We have seen the men novelists from 17th, 18th, 19th and 20th century. Now the women novelists and their works. Novelists and their work. Frances Burney, Evelina, The Novel of Manners. Anne Radcliffe, Gothic novels. Mary Shelley, Frankenstein, novel based on science. Jane Austen, Emily Bront and Charlotte Bronte, The Wuthering Heights and Jane Eyre. Mary Ann Evans, Alice George Eliot, novels reflecting psychological insight. Virginia Woolf, stream of consciousness novels. Agatha Christie, novels on crime. Harper Lee, Margaret Atwood, Toni Morrison and Alice Walker. These are the women novelists. Now Indian novelists. लक्षात घ्या, आता इंडियन नॉवेलिस्ट कोणते आहेत? बंकिमचंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय, राजामोहन's wife, serialized in the Indian field, first novel in English by the Indian writer. एखाद्या इंडियन रायटरनं इंग्लिशमध्ये लिहिलेलं हे पहिलं नॉवेल. त्यानंतरचे नॉवेलिस्ट कोणते आहेत? मुल्कराज आनंद, R.K. नारायण, राजा राव, अनिता देसाई, नयनतारा सहगल, अरुण जोशी, मनोहर मालगांवकर, अमिताव घोष, विक्रम सेठ, उपमन्यू चॅटर्जी. अँड द रिसेंट नॉवेलिस्ट. रिसेंट मधले कोणते आहेत? सलमान रश्दी, अरविंद अदिगा, अरुंधती रॉय, किरण देसाई, किरण नायगावकर. आता पहा, नॉवेला हा एक शब्द आहे, तो कुठून आलेला? इट टेक्स प्लेस ॲट अ सिंगल ट्रॅडिशन, द वर्ड नॉवेला. And it is derived from Italian word novelle, Novelle. One incident or issue, one or more characters in novella. Prose shorter than novel and longer than short stories. Novella is a prose but shorter than novel and longer than short stories. Satiric or realistic in tone. Next, well-structured 8 short narrative. Now here we are going to see the novellas and their authors. The Heart of Darkness. It is a novellas by Joseph Conrad. Next one, The Turn of Screw by Henry James. Next one, Billy Butt by Herman Melville, Death of Venice by Thomas Mann, and Seas of Day by Saul Bellow, and the last one, that is Pearl by John Steinbeck. Now, you have to understand all those things. Here we have seen up to the point. We will take a flashback. 18th century ना आपल्याला काय दिलेलं आहे? नॉवेलची ओरिजिन काय आहे? फीचर्स काय आहेत? मॉडर्न एरा काय आहे? इनिशियल नॉवेल्स कोणते आहेत? वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट नॉवेल कुठला आहे? त्यानंतर 18th सेंचुरी मधले नॉवेलिस्ट, 19th मधले आणि 20th मधले. आता इंडियन सिनॅरिओ काय आहे नॉवेलच्या बाबतीत, इंडियन रायटर नॉवेलिस्ट कोणते आहेत आणि नॉवेला हा शब्द कुठून आलेला आहे. सो try to understand all those things. It will be helpful for you in the exam as far as examination is concerned. If you have a problem, then write to me. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.